The multi-powered emergency alert radio helps prepare your family before, during, and after emergencies. It has a 4-light LED flashlight, a digital AM/FM radio, and multiple power sources. During emergencies, the Weather Radio Alert function activates radio warnings for up-to-the-minute emergency alerts 24 hours a day. The hand crank provides power through a USB port that can be useful in powering a cell phone. The hand crank also powers the flashlight. The emergency alert radio was designed to be used in the home, while camping, or stored in a vehicle.